Do you really want to know what a work camper does? Then you should watch this video.
This is a turtle. This is Steve and Jill Turtle's mascot. And he was crossing the street.
Hi, I'm Steve Turtle. I'm a work camper. What's a work camper anyway? What's a work camper do? Well, I'll tell you. You watch this video and you'll see what a work camper does. This week we're getting ready for the Memorial Day weekend. Riverview RV Park's going to be packed with campers. We're going to have a whole lot of stuff going on. We've got games, we've got events, and we're going to have a lot of fun. But first I want to show you just one of my work camper projects. And then we're going to go on an adventure. Come on, I'll show you some of the things I do as a work camper. I'm in an area outside the restaurant which we call the pavilion area. It's an area that we put a picnic table in and some other tables, and it's going to be like a sitting gathering place for people that are waiting for someone in the restrooms, or maybe doing laundry, or just want to sit down and read a book and relax. It's got some white paneling on it, and I'm going to remove that paneling and spruce it up a little bit, make it pretty. Already worked up a sweat. Good coffee. Ooh-wee. I do believe I've worked up a sweat. Gotta have a key, Steve. The paneling is down, I've thrown it away. Now I have to attach the electrical wires to the lattice framework. Corky came through with some staples. Now I can finish this job up, staple this wire down, and we should be done. Well, that's much better. It'll make a nice seating area. There you go, we're all finished. I'm gonna see if I can get Jill to hang a couple pictures up. Make it look a little nicer. Sometimes you see the neatest things. Come check this out. Look, look, look. Come here.
This is a turtle. This is Steve and Jill Turtle's mascot. And he was crossing the street in the exit lane, and I was afraid he'd get smushed, so I jumped out and I got him.
So what are you going to do with him?
Gonna put him down by the pond. Here you go, sweetheart. This is your new home. Go get him. Go get him. Go! Go!
Hell, you're back on the road again with Steve and Jill Turtle. Historic Route 66. It was such a nice day, we couldn't pass up the chance to get on the road and check out some things. So we're on an adventure down in Lebanon, Missouri. We're stopped in the middle of the road and Jill's going to save a turtle. Hello, come out, come out.
Stop, you're hurting him.
Hello.
He's gonna have a headache.
Come on out. That's our quest.
He was going that way.
Yeah, that's our quest. We're saving box turtles today, right? We're going to save box turtles?
Yes.
There
you go, buddy boo.
Right. Bye-bye.
We are. Later, dude.
Cheryl would be proud.
Love you.
Okay, I think today is the day that we save turtles. So turtle number 3, here we go. I'm gonna get it off the road. Hold on. Where you going? Huh? Where you going? Well, that was a nice little adventure. It got us out of the house. Went down and caught up on some of the Route 66 we didn't see when we went through back in November. But it was a good adventure. Had fun. Saved a lot of turtles. Well, we're home. Back from another adventure. Well, the weekend is here. The campground's ready. It's looking nice and we're ready for the campers. So now we can have our Memorial Day celebration. Have fun, campfires, enjoy family and friends, and honor our fallen soldiers that have given the ultimate sacrifice. I hope you enjoy our story. I hope to see you here again. New stories every week right here on Friday. If you liked our story, click like below. Subscribe if you'd like to hear more stories like this one. And if you're already subscribed, thank you very much. I appreciate it. And please comment below, as your comments help me tell better stories. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Links down below in our comment section. Until later, thanks for your time. Bye.